Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we will do an unboxing video today with my new Louis Vuitton bag that I purchased last month, and I got this bag last Saturday. It's almost a week now, so let's do unboxing. Oops. Sorry for not showing my face today. I'm a kinda bit mess today, so please bear with me. This is the box. The magnetic box. And this is the receipt. I don't know if you can see, this is purchased from Italy. You know already that this is the beautiful Alma BB in classic monogram. It's been on my wish list for too long, and finally got my hands on this, and I'm super happy to have this bag as a gift for my birthday. So I'm thanking my husband for buying me this beautiful bag. This is the clochette. I don't know if you can see it. This is made in France. Made in France. It's embossed on the other side of the bag. It's quite stiff. The zipper is quite stiff because it's brand new. This is the textile card. And this is the product code. I don't know if you can. Sorry for the lighting. It's M53152. And M53152. If you are interested on this bag, this is the product code. It also comes with a lock, and this is a cute pouch for the lock, and it has, of course, the Louis Vuitton logo. Focus, please focus. Oh, it's not okay. And it comes with the beautiful long strap. I am 5'2" in height, so I think this is fits well on me if I use it as a crossbody. It has the logo also on the hardware. I don't know if it is focusing. I hope it does. So it has, as you can see, the 4 feet. and the vachetta leather, which I am afraid of, because the problem with the vachetta leather is it gets darker over time. So let's see. I have this beautiful twilly, a pair of twilly that I bought from Love My Bags. This is already old twilly, which I use also on my Speedy 30. I also put the link below of this twilly if you want to purchase one for your bags. Okay, it should be equal on each side. I hope you can see this, how I put the twillies. Well, I've watched a lot of tutorials on YouTube on how to put twillies, so this is what I've learned from watching on YouTube. Going to okay, I think this is okay. This twilly is only 500 pesos, I think, or less per pair, so it doesn't have to be pricey if you are going to use some twilly on your bag, because I think it's not necessary. But if you want to buy the LV bandeau, it's okay. Maybe I'll buy one too soon. Okay, I hope I'm doing well. I'm doing this right, so sorry for the sunlight. This one is in color gray. I think this one is cuter than the size is more appropriate for this bag. That's it. So thanks guys for watching my short unboxing video.